Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo, yo, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy good day. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy good day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, you hold them very tight. African money, you know they agree at all. For in gym, for in vein, African blood. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today.
As I was saying to you, Arsenal are going to be the winner of this year Premiership.
And how does that now concern our family? Are they going to give us some money?
Not really, but this is what we do. I mean, I would like watching football, so my spare
Why
time.
don't we just talk about us instead of talking about Arsenal? You know I don't like football.
I know, I'm just trying to make you to love football.
Okay. I hear you. You right, sweetie?
Your teacher will be coming in any moment from now. I'm paying that man a lot just for you to learn Yoruba language. So all I need from you is your full concentration. Not when the man comes in, you'll be moving around. I don't want to hear otherwise from him. Am I clear? Good. And I will be taking your mom to the salon whenever the man arrives. I want you to behave yourself. I want to hear a good report from him anytime I come back. Am I clear?
Yes.
Good.
You don't look happy. What's the matter?
I didn't like him.
What did you just say?
I didn't want Buckingham Daddy to teach me. I didn't like him.
Why? He's the best we could get in town.
My goodness, my gracious God. The best you can get in town, not we can get in town.
The man got PhD in Yoruba.
It doesn't, you see, ever since you brought that man into the house with her, I just don't like him. My spirit does not agree with that man. You see, you know, there's something they call female instinct. My instinct does not tell me, that man is just, did you hear what our son just said?
I don't like when you support this guy sometimes. You can't just be supporting him because you want to pamper him. That's not the right thing.
You know what? If your son is telling you something, you need to listen.
That
man is not good.
I listen to him, but not all the time. You know, kids always run away from people who hold them with iron hands. And that's what this guy needs right now.
He needs an iron hand?
You
want your son to be miserable just because you want him to learn?
No, I just want him to learn.
It's all right.
It's
okay,
my
I'll get it done.
language. You see, listen, I want the best for you. I want the best for your mom. I want the best for this family.
Where's that?
You need to learn my language. My father paid a teacher to teach me English. So I'm paying a teacher now to teach you Yoruba language.
Come in.
The man started telling me.
Thank you, madam.
Please. That we run.
Yeah.
Yeah? I just want full concentration.
Hello, sir.
How are you, Buckingham Palace?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Buckingham Palace, Buckingham Daddy, Buckingham everything.
That is me. I'm always everywhere. That is me. Yeah.
I love you. I have to be honest with you.
Thank you, sir.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
I just, it's like, I want you to step up, please. This guy is not picking up. His Yoruba is not as sweet as I want it to be. Please.
And I'm trying for him.
Try more, please.
Okay.
Thank you. I want to take my woman to the salon.
Okay.
Should be around an hour, 30 minutes back.
Okay.
All right. Come on, let's see.
Well done, madam. Okay.
Please.
No problem.
Come and sit down. Let me get you some fruits.
Please.
Thank you. How are you, Stephen?
He's fine.
Yeah.
He's doing well. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, madam. That is me.
You think it's easy for somebody to have PhD in Yoruba language?
Aha!
I know you can do it.
That is the word.
It is fruit. Enjoy yourself.
Oh.
And if you need any more,
Thank you, madam.
you are free in our house.
Thank you.
Would you like
no
something
problem.
to drink as well?
Yeah, it's okay. This one is okay for me.
Do you want
Sure.
a bottle of
Fruit
water?
is good.
Okay.
No, the fruit is okay, man.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right. Be good.
Yeah.
Love you.
Okay.
Yeah, Stephen.
See you soon. I will see you later, sir.
All right.
Right.
At
All
least
right,
I'm still going to be here for almost 2 hours.
Be good, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna be okay, all right?
All right. Thank you, madam.
All right, sir. Have a
See
good
you
day.
later. Yeah, Stephen, let's get down to business. I'm coming. The slate. Oh. You remember where we reached yesterday?
Yeah.
You must be sharp today. This one you are looking like a Yagba. I don't know what is wrong with you. You have to be sharp, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Now to the business. This is how it goes.
A.
Aja.
Aja.
A.
Aja.
Aja. What is Aja? Aja.
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 Dog. Okay?
Okay.
B.
B.
Bata.
Butter.
B.
B.
Bata.
Butter.
What is bata?
Shoe.
Shoe. Slippers, shoe, anything like that, okay? D.
D.
Doje.
Doje.
You know what doje is?
No. What's your doje?
Not doje. Doje.
Doje.
Doje.
Doje.
Fila.
Fila.
Doje, you see, there is something we call doje. Some people also call it goje. It's like, it resembles a guitar, like violin, that people used to sing. I remember, oh, my those days, when Yusuf Olatunji used to sing. He said, ọmọ tó pàwó ẹ̀jẹ̀ àpọ́nlé èwe ìwòyí ẹ máa gbàgbìdánwò ẹ̀yin ará mi gbàtàráyé kan tí ògbọ́n mọ́ ni wọ́n fi ń pọ̀ lárera ọmọ kárọ̀ òjìrè Yorùbá. You don't enjoy it.
No.
Ó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ tó ń jẹrú. You people don't come to the time where life sweet. Fila.
Fila.
What is fila?
Hat.
hat, cap, feel like this one. Hat, yes, hat, and then yes, hat and cap again. You see, there is something we call army. What did I call it? Army. That army is like dodo. Do you know what they call dodo? Yes. What is dodo? Fudu call dodo. This one you are forgetting. Well, you are doing like this. Dodo. Dodo. I'm not talking about dodo that they are eating. Dodo is like accent. I mean, do. Say dodo.
Dodo.
What did I call it now?
Dodo.
Now dodo is what?
Plantain.
Okay. Bono. You don't listen. Oh yeah. It's the same thing yesterday. Oh yeah, kule. Kneel down there. George. Come here. Oh yeah, kneel down. Kneel down like this. Oh yeah, raise up your hand. George. Ọmọ tí ó bá gbọ́ràn ẹgbàá ló fi ń gbọ́n wèrè ọkọ wọn dànù. Oh yeah, raise up your hand. I tell you now that accent you they say dodo. Oúnjẹ ti balẹ̀ ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ò ní balẹ̀ ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀. Dodo, not dodo that they are eating. Oh yeah, God was okay, man. God was okay. Ah. If you cry, God go punish devil. If you cry out, teaching you the same thing every day. Your daddy, you hear when your dad they complain, say you are not picking up. You are not picking up. Eh? You are not picking up. I teach you this one yesterday. God punish them. When they give me problem, your daddy they thought say I not pick up well. Things say it's easy to get professor in Yoruba language. You know how many years I spent in Awolowo University, formerly known as University of Ife. That your big head now food, only food you know. Dodo, jije, dodo, call dodo atewani. And I'm telling you the accent. Accent is what they call do. Do, re, mi, do. Do, lati, so. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, lati, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re. Do. What punish devil? The time he say do, call do atewani. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, lati. You don't know what they call do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, lati, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re. Do. Idiot. It is a joke before I get professor in Yoruba. Do, re, mi. Accent, not dodo. Idiot. Goje.
Oh, blood of Jesus Christ.
What is going on? What did you do to my child?
What is it?
Huh? Oh,
What's going on?
Jesus Christ.
What did you do to him? Look at my child is crying.
No, what are you doing there?
What's this? What is this?
No,
Wait,
no, I'm
what is it?
What do you mean? What is he doing there?
now?
Are you not the one that put him there?
Yes, because I'm teaching him the accent. He doesn't understand the accent.
So?
Yes,
And so?
but you have to, you know, children like that, you need to teach them and let them know the accent.
I've never punished this boy since he was born. Sorry, my darling. Sorry. What did you do to him?
See, I'm teaching him.
You're teaching him what? Look, just go.
Honey,
Take.
please. No.
Take.
Transfer. Hey, help me transfer his money for today, please.
Even by
It's not even today. As soon as you leave that door, don't come back again. No. Look, take.
Can you transfer his
What
money
is it
to me,
now?
please? I don't want to see you in this house anymore.
Why?
As a matter of fact, I don't want to see you on this street anymore. You are.
The month remains 5 days to finish. I'll
Just
pay
like
you
that.
everything.
Yes, just like that.
Every
Spell.
This is the third week
My dear, this is my house. I dictate what happened in my house. I don't want to see you anymore.
with no any formal of
Darling, we didn't sack him. We've given you 5 days notice. I've paid you for the next 5 days. Please, just go.
Thank you.
anything like that. This is England.
Respect yourself, please. Please. Thank you. You've had enough.
What is it now?
overstayed your
Just
welcome.
go.
Thank you.
Just go.
But I'm
Thank you.
teaching the boy.
I've never punished that boy in my life before. Sorry, my darling.
Hey,
Honey, you see what I'm telling you?
That man has PhD in
And
Yoruba.
so what? What has PhD got to do with it?
I'm sorry, my darling.
My son was right all along. He said he doesn't like them. And I told you, sweetheart, I told you.
Oh,
I said a woman's instinct is always right,
But you
darling.
should have called us.
What do you mean he should have called? Has he not told you so many times? I don't like that man. Don't let that man come to the house again. But do you listen? No, you don't. Men's instinct is always
My
right.
father paid a teacher when I was young to teach me English language. And the same thing I'm trying to do for this boy. I'm paying somebody to teach him my language, which is Yoruba.
That is your father. Please, I don't want anyone to come here and abuse my child anymore. Thank you, please. Don't touch my child. Sorry, sweetie. It won't happen again, okay? From now on, I choose who teaches you something, okay? Yes, I know I don't know how to speak Yoruba properly, but you can now say that because you're trying to look for a good teacher, then you're going to subject my child to pain. It's not going to work.
thank you guys for all the support you guys have been giving to us by watching our video. We thank you very much for your support. Please, as you are watching our video, please don't forget to hit on the like and love buttons and make sure that you help us to subscribe. Please help us to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime we upload our video, you guys will be having the notification. And all the support you need to give to us is by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Like and support. Thank you guys. We love you. Thank you for your support. God bless you all.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Keep watching Cinechroma Entertainment TV, Buckingham Daddy. Like all our videos. Make a comment. Subscribe even to the TV channel and share with your people. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Daddy, yo, Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, good day. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, good day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, the hold am very tight. African money, you know they agree and talk. For in gym, for in vain, African blood. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy good day.